Hey guys, we're doing the team random now for the break for tonight. It's 6:39:31 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what did I say? I said that's not what I said. 1, 11, 29. So Nathan, Nick Vossa, and Shane Everend. Congrats. Yeah, team draw 3. Where's my low dice rolls tonight? 1, 2, and 3. Yoink. Random is complete. Team draw is Nathan Lott Clippers, Damien Smith Pelicans, Deegan Jazz, Van Houten Bulls, Nick Watson Wizards, Simon Humphries Blazers, Damien Smith Hawks, Kyle Hollis Thunder, Matthew Chaney Wolves, Nick Powell Bucks, Lawson with the Kings, Hodgson Celtics, Stephen Hughes Sixers, Liam Cox Pacers, Nick Powell Grizz, John Deegan Mavericks, Nick Forcer Suns, Josh Hinge Hornets, Nick Powell Heat, Simon Humphries Cavs, Josh Hinge Nuggets, Simon Humphries Raptors, Brendan with the Lakers, Nick Forcer with the Spurs, Van Houten Knicks, John Deegan Magic, Adam Carter Warriors, Liam Cox Nets, Shane Overend Pistons, and Garth Manning with the Rockets. And time is there.